Look at the effect the rain is already having on North Texas. Y'all, this is live video from our photojournalist Tim Anders. He's been on scene of that flooding that we've been tracking for you all morning long on Highway 80. And look at how deep that water is. That is two people trying to unclog the drain. And basically, they're blind to where this drain is because the water is just that deep. And because it's also not the clearest water around, they're not able to see where that drain is that they need to clear. So not only is this the main lanes of Highway 80, but you've got that white SUV, white vehicle right behind them that's been submerged, partially submerged in the water. There's also two other disabled vehicles over on the outside of this screen. So what you need to know is Highway 80 is shut down and likely will be until they figure out how to get this water to recede off the main lanes. TxDOT tells me that this crew is going to be on scene until they fix this drainage issue. But you can see it is just a mess of the morning drive.